Hey everyone, Sharkheart here, and I wanted to share my first impressions about our new Pyro Spear character, Thoma. Although Thoma hasn't officially released yet, he is available in the hangout events, and so we can play around with his kit early and see just how good of a character or how bad of a character Thoma might be. Overall, I think Thoma is going to be a strong pickup for just about any team. His elemental skill provides a very strong shield, while his elemental burst provides a weaker shield, but it can stack to become a stronger shield, and it also deals damage with every normal attack you or another character does. Combine that with the fact that he's pyro and can help activate pyro resonance, it seems like Thoma will probably fit in pretty well with most teams. He seems like he'll be a great partner for Hu Tao, but he could also work with Tartaglia or Ayaka as well. And while we can't test him out yet, I don't think anyone will be disappointed if they pull the fiery housekeeper. So let's get into my first impressions of Thoma. These were taken from my live stream at twitch.tv/sharkheart where I stream daily. Ooh, Thoma! Let's take some time to admire Mr. Thoma. 105, 240, 157, 163. Okay. Ooh. So he's got 52 crit damage, energy recharge, 105 EM. So what does he go up with? I think he scales with attack because he's getting plus 1,000 attack here, and he's got 887 there because that's his base attack plus weapon, and then this is the bonus, and he doesn't have any pyro damage here either, so that's interesting. There's him eating again. Home. Alright, any constellations? C3. Ooh, we can look at his constellations. Okay. When a character protected by his unblazing barrier, his E skill, Thoma excluded, is attacked, Thoma's own blessing is decreased by 3 seconds, while his own Crimson Aurora is decreased by 3 seconds. Can be triggered once every 20 seconds. So I'm guessing they have a long cooldown. Increases the duration of his burst by 3. Increases the level of his E by 3. After using his burst, he will restore 15 energy. Okay, that's pretty good. Increases burst by 3. When a blazing barrier is obtained or refreshed, damage dealt by all party members, normal charge and plunging attacks increased by 15% for 6 seconds. Oh, cool. So, probably his best constellation is his C4 for the energy. Interesting. So let's take a look at his talents. These don't seem particularly strong. But let's take a look at his level 11 talent. So it's a vault, deals pyro damage. Damage absorption scales off his max HP, okay. Absorbs pyro more effectively. When a new barrier obtained, the remaining damage absorption will stack, and its duration will refresh. That sounds good. So, 15-second cooldown, 8-second duration, and it 37% of max HP plus 4,000. So that's actually a pretty beefy shield. So, 30% of, let's say, 20k at, well, this is level 11 too. So let's say this is like 25. Maybe at level 8, roughly. So it's 25% of, let's say, 20k. That's like 5,000 plus another 4,000 HP. So, actually quite a strong shield. Like, very, very good shield, actually. So yeah, this looks pretty strong. Let's see this. Okay, so he does that. While it is in effect, normal attacks trigger the fiery collapse. So this will probably not work with Raiden because her attacks are considered elemental burst damage in her state. Blazing barriers created this way are identical to those by his elemental skill. So he's going to be like a shielding character for sure. Damage absorption, shield duration 8 seconds, 15 seconds, 20-second cooldown, 80 cost, burst, and it deals about 93% of damage on the attacks. So, not as strong as Zhongling, but it is a barrier, so that's pretty cool. So, interesting character, very interesting. I think he'll be quite useful. Yeah, let's see what are these talents. When your current active character obtains or refreshes a blazing barrier, this character's shield strength will increase 5% for 6 seconds. Oh, neat. This can be triggered once every 0.3 seconds, max 5 stacks. It sounds like he can trigger this a lot. It seems like that's part of his kit too, is to like stack versions of shields on top of each other. Increased by 2.2% of Thoma's max HP. Ooh, so you want to build him like HP energy recharge? Probably. When you fish in Inazuma, Thoma's help grants 20% chance of getting a double catch. Look at that. Well, this would have been useful a little while ago when I was grinding for the catch, but not quite as much now. Still useful, I suppose. Hopefully they add more fishing things in later. Alright, let's check this out. Woo! I love that. I love his last attack. Oh, it's so cool. He can jump out of that too. That's neat. I failed on purpose just so we could do this event more often, you know? Get more time with Thoma. You know, Thoma seems like he'd be really good in a mono pyro team. Zhongling, Bennett, Thoma, and someone for like Viridescent Shred. He seems like he'd be really, really good in that. Have all their damage off field, basically. And then Sucrose to shred the pyro. I like him. Thoma's a cool character. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know what you think about Thoma below. I'd love to know your thoughts. Is he going to be a staple on your team, or are you just going to skip him entirely? And until next time, may order guide you, friends. Take care and have a great one.